Looking for a natural glow up? These 5 DIY body whitening scrubs will leave your skin radiant and refreshed. Perfect for all seasons. No chemicals, no harsh treatments, just pure skincare magic. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus pro tip. First up, the Lemon and Sugar Glow Scrub. Perfect for exfoliating dead skin and brightening dull areas. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Gently massage for 2 minutes, then rinse. Say hello to instant smoothness. Next, we have the Oatmeal and Honey Hydration Scrub, ideal for sensitive winter skin. Just mix 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of honey. This scrub moisturizes deeply while removing dead skin cells. Use it twice a week for a healthy glow. Got tan skin from the sun? Try the Coffee and Coconut Oil Scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This powerful combo removes tan, tightens skin, and reduces cellulite. A must-try for summer. For natural skin brightening, use the Turmeric and Yogurt Scrub. Mix ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then gently scrub before rinsing. Turmeric fights pigmentation, while yogurt nourishes your skin. Last but not least, the Aloe Vera and Rice Flower Scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of rice flour with 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. This gentle scrub polishes your skin while soothing irritation. Use it 3 times a week for baby-soft skin. Want faster results? Always moisturize after exfoliating and apply sunscreen daily. These scrubs work best when used consistently. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more skincare secrets.